Number 31, find the quotient and remainder using long division of the following expression. What is the remainder? Okay, they give us our dividend over our divisor. We are going to use long division. On the test, you must use long division. According to our pre-cal teachers, this is a very important skill. Okay, once the problem's all set up, you're going to go ahead and start. This is supposed to be one of those problems where you do short division, then multiplication, then subtraction, and you repeat it until you can't do it anymore. So the short division refers to the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So x cubed divided by x equals x squared. The miniature quotient goes up here where the maxi quotient goes. I just made those up, but this is where we put our answer to that short division problem. Then we move on to the multiplication step, which is to take this quotient and multiply it by the divisor and get the product, and we'll put it underneath the dividend. So x squared times x minus 8 equals hippity-hoppity x cubed minus 8x squared. So that's going to go down here, x cubed minus 8x squared, and that is the multiplication step. Then we're going to move on to the subtraction step, which is we subtract this product from the dividend. X cubed minus x cubed cancels, and this is where you have to be careful, because when you subtract a negative, you're actually adding. So -4 minus -8 is actually -4 plus 8. So we're going to get an answer of positive 4x squared here. We're going to bring everything else down. And then we're going to start again. Okay, so division means 4x squared divided by x, which is 4x, because 4x times x equals 4x squared. We're going to put the positive 4x up here, and we're going to take the 4x and multiply it by the divisor. 4x times x minus 8. Hippity-hoppity, 4x times x is 4x squared. 4x times -8 is -32x. And we put the product down here. 4x squared minus 32x. And then we move on from multiplication back to subtraction. We are, again, going to be subtracting a negative, so be careful. The first term cancels out. If you're doing it right, it will always cancel out. -15 minus -32 is going to be 17. And then we'll bring down our 45. And then we'll just do this one more time. The short division step is the 17x divided by x. We get 17. That goes up here in the quotient, so plus 17. Then we multiply 17, I'll do it right here, 17 times x minus 8, hippity-hoppity. That's going to be 17x, and then 17 times -8 would be -136. So we'll put that right here, 17x minus 136. And once more, we are subtracting a negative. So the 17x cancels out. 45 plus 136 is going to give us 181. Now this right here is the remainder. That's what it asks us for. We can either put this as a fraction over the divisor. So we'd say plus 181 over x minus 8. Or since it just asks us to, it just says what is the remainder, we can just go ahead and say that this has a remainder of 181. And that would be our answer. Number 31. There we go.